Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to open a demo account on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and download MetaTrader 4 from App Store or Play Store. Then open it. And as you can see, we have here add trading account. Click on it and click on open a demo account. Now choose this one, MetaCodes demo. And here add a name, it can be any name, add a number here, and add an email. It can be any email and any number. Okay, it doesn't matter. We have here leverage. You can choose the leverage you want. And we have here the deposit. You can choose the balance you want. After that, click on create account. Click on done. And as you can see, this is our demo account. So if we click here, the top left, as you can see, this is our demo account. Now you can trade if you want. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.